Hello there, everyone. My name is Juan Carlos Tovar. I'm from Lejanías Meta, but now I live in Villavicencio. I've living here for around 3 years. I'm 25 years old, and I work as an English teacher in a private school. I've been working there for around 3 years. Mm, about my certification of English, I think I am B2, but I still don't have a certification of English. About a brief description, my previous teaching experience, as I said, I worked as an English teacher. I've been working there for around 3 years, and I learned many things about some strategies to work with gamification, some platforms that help you to improve your English. And I think the technology is a great way to teach. I like to teach through this technology. And about if I have experience about preparing people for international exams, I don't have. I think I just have the experience to work in the schools to teach young people and kids. Just that was it. Thank you for your attention. See you later.